Hello everyone, this is Shwapnil Kohli. I welcomes you all in my channel. So today we are going to analyze UGC NET June 2020 English Literature only chronological order questions. In this we will study how to solve in this we will study in detail the chronology order. So it is been said many of students that ma'am please make us solve the chronology order questions. So we are going to start, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends, those who are preparing for English literature competition exams. So first question is, arrange the following plays in the chronological order of publication. So I don't have mentioned there all the options, I just mentioned here the correct answer. So first, The Country Wife, then All for Love, Venice Preserved, The School for Scandals. So I have given you a detailed explanation. The Country Wife by William Wycherley was published in 1675. So this is mentioned in first. All for Love by John Dryden was published in 1678. Venice Preserved by Thomas Otway was published in 1682. The School for Scandal by Richard Brinsley Sheridan, means it is was published in 1777. So friend, what we come to know new here is that they cannot, if now they can also ask you to match the following work with their writer. So The Country Wife is written by William Wycherley in 1675. All for Love by John Dryden in 1678. Venice Preserved by Thomas Otway was published in 1682. The School for Scandal by Richard Brinsley Sheridan was published in 1777. So coming to the next question, arrange the following play in their chronological order. So, first is The Spanish Tragedy, Cymbeline, The Country Wife, The Revivals. The Revivals you can also say, or you, if you like to pronunciate revivals, you can pronunciate revivals. The Spanish Tragedy by Thomas Kite was first performed in 1587. So Cymbeline by Shakespeare was published in 1611. The Country Wife by William Wycherley. Friend, The Country Wife is very important, so please keep in mind. They can ask you another related question to The Country Wife also. The Country Wife by William Wycherley was first performed in 1675. The Revivals by Richard Brinsley Sheridan was first performed in 1775. See, here also we can say The School for Scandal by Richard Brinsley Sheridan, and there also if you get that Richard Brinsley Sheridan work were published in 1772, then your mind will be set then how to keep in this chronology. Third question is, arrange the following author in the chronology order of their birth. So this one is very hard. What is the hard there? We think that Geoffrey Chaucer come first and then William Langlet. Most of the people has done this mistake. First William Langlet. William Langlet was born in 1332 and Geoffrey Chaucer was born in 1343. Yet the Geoffrey Chaucer is most famous, but who was the first born? William Langlet. So first is William Langlet, then Geoffrey Chaucer, John Dryden, Alexander Pope, Oscar Wilde. The dates for the author chronology are William Langlet 1332 to 1386, Geoffrey Chaucer 1343 to 1400, John Dryden 1631 to 1700. John Dryden 1631 to 1700. Alexander Pope 1688. Alexander Pope is also very important for our exam. Alexander Pope 1688 to 1744. Oscar Wilde 1854 to 1900. Oscar Wilde is 1854 to 1900. Okay, question number 4 is, arrange the following women novelists in the chronology order by date of birth. See, date of birth is also very important of and this was, see, Fanny Burney. First is Fanny Burney, then Anne Radcliffe, Maria Edgeworth, Jane Austen, Annie Bronte. Fanny Burney was born in 1752. Anne Radcliffe was born in 1764. Maria Edgeworth 1768. Jane Austen 1775. Annie Bronte 1820. So, question number 5 is, arrange the following in the chronology order of publication. Sunset Lover, a portrait of the artist by young man, Chrome Yellow, Mrs. Dalloway. Sunset Lover by D.H. Lawrence came out in 1930. A Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man by James Joyce in 1916. Okay, Sunset Lover by D.H. Lawrence. A Portrait of Artist by James Joyce. Chrome Yellow by Aldous Huxley in 1921. Virginia's Woolf, Mrs. Dalloway was published in 1952. Question number 6. Arrange the following 18th century magazine. Friend, magazines are very important. That's why I have give you in detail explanation. See, order of publication. First, the Gentle magazine, the Monthly Review, the Ramblers, the Critical Review. The Gentle magazine was founded by Edward Cave in 1731, London. So now they can also ask you the who is the founder of the Gentle magazine. So Edward Cave in 1731. The Monthly Review was started by Ralph Griffiths in 1749. Rambler was started by Samuel Johnson in 1750. The Critical Review was edited by Tobias Sommelt and started in 1756. Okay, 1756 Critical Review. Question number 7. Arrange the following in the chronology order of publication. Advancement of learning. First is advancement of learning. Then the lives of poets, on heroes and hero worship. The origin of species. Advancement of Learning by Francis Bacon was published in 1605. The Lives of Poets by Samuel Johnson was published in 1779. On Heroes and Hero Worship was by Thomas Cryle was published in 1841. Charles Darwin, The Origin of Species was published in 1859. So these all the works are very important. Advancement of Learning, the Lives of Poets, on Heroes and Hero Worship, the Origin of the Species. So I have mentioned the authors also, please keep in mind. So literary works are there. Arrange the following in the chronology order of publication. First is Course in General Linguistics, how to do things with words, except of the theory and syntax, semiotics and the philosophy of language. So Course in General Linguistics by Saucer in 1916. How to do things with words was published in 1662 by J.L. Austin. Except of the Theory and Syntax by Noam Chomsky was published in 1965. Semiotics and the Philosophy of Language by Umberto Eco was published in 1984. Umberto Eco is our contemporary novelist or writer. Chronology, sequence, order of publication. A Defense of Rhyme, Life of Covley, Preface to Lyrical Ballad, The Fortuners of Criticism. Samuel Daniels, A Defense of Rhyme was published in 1602. Samuel Johnson, Life of Covley was published between 1779 to 1781. Wordsworth, Preface to Lyrical Ballad was published in 1801. The Fortuners of Criticism by T.S. Eliot, published in 1956. Question number 10, last and very important. Stream of consciousness, defamiliarism, particle criticism, Hershey of perhaps. So first is Stream of Consciousness, appeared in William James, The Principles of Psychology, 1890. Defamiliarization emerged with formalism around 1915. Particular criticism emerged around 1920s. Hershey of perhaps appeared in Clinton books The Wall by Ront Un in 1949. So here we are done with the all 10 questions which were asked in June 2020 question paper. I hope you like my explanation. I hope you like all the questions. Please do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you. God bless you all.